In this video, we will be discussing the chemical and physical properties of matter. Chemical and physical properties are important when describing a substance. First, we're going to start with physical properties. Physical properties include no new substances. Some examples of physical properties are characteristics such as a change in color, smell, mass, freezing point, boiling point, weight, malleability, which is the ability to deform under compression, solubility, which is the ability to dissolve, and it is ductile, which is the ability to stretch. To put it into perspective, here are some everyday physical changes you might see. The first one being ice cubes. The water starts out as a liquid form, but then after time it freezes into a shape without any other substance but itself. This image is a great example of a physical property, and that property being malleability. The gold starts out as a large gold nugget and is hammered into thin sheets of gold by compression. And now we will be moving on to chemical properties. In a chemical property, the characteristics change the substance, and this time it does involve a new substance. Some examples of chemical properties are flammability, corrosive, which means it can strip off electrons from metals, change of the pH, or even explosive. An example of chemical properties causing chemical changes in the real world would be rust, such as on pipes, because it oxidizes, and this can happen with such metals as in iron or copper over time. Another example of a chemical property would be burning a piece of paper, because the paper goes through change and turns into ash. Physical and chemical properties are important to the chemistry world because it helps define the changes that substances are going through.